the base is getting smaller.
Yeah. I can't believe how stretched that's maybe why it's like.
We should probably go downstairs.
Yeah, we definitely will.
Trees seem fine.
My house and sucks this sun.
Here's the hail. Get under, back up.